Tired of dealing with a cracked or broken driver's side mirror glass? What if you could replace it yourself without breaking the bank? This replacement mirror glass fits Ford Escape, Escape Hybrid, Mercury Mariner, and Mariner Hybrid models perfectly, giving you that original equipment quality without the dealer markup. I recently swapped out the damaged mirror on my Ford Escape using this exact part. The fit was spot on, no gaps, no adjustments needed. It comes with the backing plate included, so installation was straightforward. The step-by-step instructions made the process quick and hassle-free, even for someone with limited experience. Plus, since this mirror doesn't have heating or turn signal features, it's a simple, reliable fix for standard models without blind spot detection. What you get is a precise, square mount mirror glass measuring 5 13/16 by 7 9/16 by 8 5/16 that restores your vehicle's appearance and functionality. It's a cost-effective solution that saves you hundreds compared to dealer prices. If that's you, looking for an affordable, no-fuss replacement, this mirror glass is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to bring your Ford Escape or Mercury Mariner back to top shape.